Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to an exciting new option for marine access called the multi-lift drive-on boat adapter. So the multi-lift system, as you may know, is a multi-purpose system designed to be able to transfer you into a variety of environments, pools, hot tubs, cars, same lift in many different cases. So the same multi-lift that gets you into your RV may be able to get you into your boat or your swimming pool or your hot tub, and there are lots of different possibilities. Please check out more information in the notes field down below. So today, we're going to show you the multi-lift drive-on adapter. Many of you may know that we have a trailer-mounted adapter and we have deck-mounted adapters. So the trailer mount typically goes here or here and will allow you to get into different parts of the boat depending on your desires, okay? We have deck-mounted options where it's mounted inside the deck of the boat somewhere where you can transfer on and off of the boat. But a lot of times you don't know what boat you're going to want to try to get into. So this is a great solution when you need that flexibility. Okay, so how does it work? So this is the center portion right here. The heaviest piece in the current version, and we're working to bring this down, is about a little bit over 50 pounds, okay? So that's going to be this central portion right here. Still not too bad for lifting. You can slide that into your pickup truck. I think it's a little over 40 inches for the longest part as well of the mount itself. So let's put it together. All right. So we've got these legs right here. They're going to slide right in, and you'll see that there's a little spot there that says how far you should put it in. Okay. Put it in right up to that line. I like to put my foot underneath. Makes it a little easier. Okay, so I'm going to slide it right in up to that line. I've got to put it in the right one, of course. Okay. And these are the outriggers that are going to go underneath the boat to allow you to be supported when you're over in this direction. Okay, what's our next stop? You'll see it's labeled bottom and top. Okay, we're going to take that pin right off. Slide that in until it goes all the way down. Put your pin in place. Lock the pin. Pins must be in place. You'll see that there's plenty of safety stickers here to remind you of that. Okay. Same thing here. We're going to remove that pin. Slide the pin right in place. And that goes through. You're good to go. Okay, so now we've got half of it set up. And then we're going to set up the outriggers. All right. So we put that right in place right there. Okay. Next. It's very important when you're putting this part of the leg on. Okay. Move that pin right there. You got to make sure you got leg A with leg A. Okay, and leg B with leg B. All right. Now, in order to adjust to different terrain, okay, put that right there. May have to set one first there. And you may end up having to go a little bit, make the leg a little bit up if you're on uneven terrain, okay? So here we are, we've got that leg in place. Leg B. Okay. That's the lower leg right there. All right, make sure your stickers are up. Okay. Okay. Next step, we put this pin in place. And you just kind of tilt the mask back a little bit to line the next pin up, okay? All right. Now, we're all set up here. We're going to place the lift. Now, this is an inverted lift right here. So we have two different styles. One is the upside down version of that. And this just all depends on what uses we're going to be making of the system. All right. Alrighty, that's our spreader bar right there. We're going to put that in place. Okay, our last step is going to be putting the safety pins in place. All of these should be in place. That's a very important safety feature. Every once in a while, you're going to want to lube these pins up to make it easy to get everything on and off, okay? All of these little guys need to be there because otherwise, if you hit something, it can come dislodged. So we don't want that. All right. Okay, so next step in the process is going to be backing right over, right where it says place the tire here. We got everything lined up. If it's a little off center, it's not a big deal. Okay? So next step, we're going to back it up. Just go right over that bump there. And a little bit, and stop right there. Okay, now you're good and stabilized on there, and we can begin the transfer process, which we'll show you in the next video. Thank you for checking out our video on the multi-lift boat drive-on adapter for marine access. We appreciate your interest, and we'd like to, if you're interested in learning more about our company, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We are on X or Twitter at accessun. We're also on Instagram as Access Unlimited. We're on Pinterest as Access Unlimited, 2 words. And you can, of course, check out our YouTube channel with over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. Our website for contacting us is accessunlimited.com/contact. Just click on the contact. The best way to get a hold of us, however, is just the old-fashioned way. Give us a call at country code 1-607-669-4822. That's Eastern Standard Time in the United States. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 607-499-4933. Thank you for checking out the Access Unlimited boat adapter, and we look forward to hearing from you soon and getting you back on the water.